Last episode we visited Syracuse in Sicily. We explored the ancient part of the town, had fun at the market and went swimming at the city beach. The guys even went diving. We had such a great time we could have stayed longer, but my father was going to fly to Sardinia less than a week later. So off we went. The Cape of Sicily. We have been up for like the boys are still sleeping and the captain is resting and we're waiting for the wind to pick up so we can finally hoist some sails. Oh, birdie didn't survive your trip last night.
Er ist einfach tot hier im Cockpit gelandet.
Ja, aber hier unten, wo ist hier?
Hallo! Hallo Scherzkeks! Na du! My cabin is a bird. Siehst du ihn?
Nö.
Ich hab gerade wieder mal verloren.
Ich sehe nur, dass du vorgekackt auf deiner Jacke hast.
Na.
Die Sicht wird trotzdem nicht besser.
Bitte? What's happening?
Fog. There's a lot of fog and we don't have a radar. And yeah, we're just actually like sailing blindly.
Completely blind. Not seeing any ships, just hoping other ships see us.
We try everything on. Coats.
Sardinia, Capo Carbonara welcomes us with strong wind and some predictions for tomorrow. We had 2 straight days of really strong winds. We even put out a second anchor to make sure the boat wasn't going anywhere. On our second day in Capo Carbonara, Rick discovered our neighbor's dinghy boat floating by itself, so we decided to rescue it. Okay, spectacular saving mission to get the lost dinghy back. Lost tender. Jari wants to come. Come on, come on. They have the boat and they're bringing it back to the beach, I think. Hey, what just happened?
We got some wine from a rescue mission.
Rescue mission, what happened?
Well, the dinghy of one of our neighbors.
That one?
Well, he said it was actually pushed by somebody from the beach, and then it with a strong wind, it was always going out in the open sea.
Yes, it was already like here.
And he got our dinghy ready, and just caught it. When it was actually on the way out.
Wow, okay, and we got some wine for that.
Yes.
The water in Capo Carbonara is really clear. And after the wind had died down, the boys went snorkeling, spearfishing and a little bit of apnoe diving.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away. Both under influence, we had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands. heights of above to lean on. Would it be good enough for me? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and
Cagliari, Sardinia, capital of Sardinia. We sailed along the south coast of Sardinia to Cagliari to pick up my father. Hi, Captain. There's a new train stop at Cagliari airport, so it's cheap and convenient to get there from the city. Jari was very excited because he loves trains.
Where are we? In a train?
We would rent a car for one day to go food shopping for our next leg to Menorca. And of course for Jari's birthday the next day.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, lieber Jari. Happy birthday to you.
Danke.
Na.
Fahren wir ganz nach unten?
We're using the
Weil
elevator
du so viel Eis gegessen hast, bist du
to go down from the, what is that, the castle of Sicily? No, Sardinia, wrong island.
Pretty cool.
Das ist ein
It's too slow.
Das ist eine Gummibäume, ne?
Mama hat die ganze Zeit vermutet, dass er nicht geht, aber er geht doch.
Was passiert wohl, wenn ich springe?
Ja, da kann er stehen bleiben. Im Untergrund. Da kommt dann die Hilfe in 2 Stunden. Du kannst nicht auf Toilette gehen.
Achso, du filmst ja mich. Schein sehr, du filmst in die Richtung.
Schau mal diesen komischen Baum
Wie
an.
das aussieht.
Rick, schau mal diesen komischen Baum an. Hier, gemeinsame.
Yeah,
Nein,
sharing one route.
Wahnsinn, oder?
Maybe we will starve and die.
We took the whole afternoon to walk around in Cagliari. Unfortunately, the 1st of November is also holiday in Italy, so everything was closed. It was still a very nice walk, and we even discovered a shipwreck. This boat must have been a swimming restaurant, but it didn't survive the last storm, obviously.
By these impulses, impulses, impulses from a machine. Oh, nourishment is temporary.
Hat's aufgehört zu filmen. Mama.
Yeah.
Stop.
Stop, okay.
And landscapes will freeze us over.
Happy birthday, boy. We left Cagliari the same evening. First stop Carloforte to get some diesel. Where are we?
We are in Carloforte.
Okay, very good. Why is
Yeah,
it
I
special?
remembered that.
Why is it special? They came from Liguria, north of Italy, where Genoa is. And they have nothing to do with the people from Sardinia. They have their own language and they have their own architecture. And it feels like more like a village in Cinque Terre, actually. Now it's quite dead. It's siesta time.
We're looking for the city center.
We're looking for the city center. We're looking for a cash machine, and we're looking for a hairdresser because you look at Yannick. Wild. Okay, this is a special Italian dialect. The medieval Genovan dialect they still have. Where are you pointing at? What's it called? Like umlaut, like in German. That's very interesting. This language only exists here. It's like a conserved medieval dialect. Look how pretty! It's really pretty here. There's woven palm leaves for some reason. More. I want one of those for the boat, so the boys can fan me some air. Carloforte is on San Pietro, a tiny island southwest of Sardinia, and is only reachable by boat and ferry.
If you seek and compare for figure eights in the eyes in your stare.
And because of its Ligurian influence, there is delicious focaccia everywhere.
So if you're angry about the fact that it's red, I'll surrender, I'll change it to white. Sneaking looks at you sleeping around, at your grass taking drunk on the ground.
Join us next time when we have to return to Carloforte because of engine problems. For the time being, we are stuck there, and we fill our days with boat school and island exploration, until we can finally move and get our engine problems solved.